Hi, I'm Kontos and I am the founder of RetreatBoss, and we have been planning retreats for over a decade now for thousands of clients. And if that's what you're looking to do, you are in the right place. We can plan for as little as you want or for as much as you want. If you're looking for someone to just research a venue, we've got you. If you're looking for someone to do a turnkey solution for your business and your retreat, we've got you. You just need to show up with your program. What we do is we take your business very, very seriously. We look at what your vision is and we make it ours. And we will give you tips and tricks throughout the retreat planning process to help you elevate your retreat game. It's not just a planning surface. It is actually coaching as well as you're going through it. So if we can give you some form of advice or support that you need throughout your journey while you're planning your retreat to help you transform, to help you profit more, to help you lead in a different way, then we will help you. I will help you. We save our clients thousands of dollars. I saved the client over $12,000 just by negotiating for her the vendors that she had chosen. She got $12,000 that she profited from even before she launched her retreat. And if you're a corporation, that's money saved for you. Okay, and we're talking about a 10-person retreat. Imagine saving over $1,000 per guest and being able to profit that money without gouging your clients, without overcharging your clients. Because if she had to have not saved that money, she would have had to charge that money. That would have been $1,000 more for each client. Another client that we had, it was simply for a venue search. She saved, I'm not kidding you, $30,000 for a 15-person retreat. She had tried on her own to get the venue, and they gave her a very different price than they gave us. And there's a few reasons for that. First of all, there's leverage. RetreatBoss has a reputation and has lots of planners planning internationally. And we use that to help you get the best price out there. Secondly, my 25 plus years of negotiating, which I love to do, by the way, has helped me get the best prices for my clients. We are there to work for you. We become a team with you to get you the best prices, the best vendors, the best venues, the best of everything, all while helping you plan the most amazing retreat for your people. So if this sounds good to you, give me a call because we definitely have to talk. I need to get to know you and you need to get to know me and our company and what we could do for you. And if all that aligns, then we start planning.